Girls, in the previous video, I was explaining you how to find sine 45, cos 45, tan 45 and other six other three ratios. So we calculated sine 45 was 1 by root 2, cos 45 was also 1 by root 2 and tan 45 is 1. When I get all these three, we can find out cosec 45, sec 45 and cot 45. Okay, so we will take the reciprocal of this. It will be root 2, this will be root 2 and this will be 1. So this completes the method or the values of 45 degree or the ratio of the 45 degree, all the six trigonometric ratios. Now I am going to explain you how we get the values of those trigonometric ratios for 30 degree and 60 degree. So we are going to study this now. For this, let us consider a triangle, and that triangle is an equilateral triangle. So let us take an equilateral triangle A, B, C. You know, in the equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal, all the angles are equal, each angle is 60 degree. Now let AD be the perpendicular on BC. Okay, so we assume a triangle, equilateral triangle ABC, which is equilateral. Then AD is the perpendicular on BC. Each side in an equilateral triangle is equal. So let us assume that this side is 2A. This side is 2A and this angle I mark 60 degree, this angle also I mark 60 degree, right? Now we have to prove what are the three or six ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Triangle ABD, right, and triangle ACD are congruent to each other by RHS property. Okay, ABD and ACD are congruent to each other by RHS property. You know how to prove the RHS property, you've learned in your previous class. Then after proving the two triangles to be congruent, we will write BD is equal to DC, the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, as well as angle BAD will be equal to angle CAD, and for that also we are going to write CPCT. So we now take an equilateral triangle. AD is perpendicular to BC. Each angle we take 60 degree, so we write base angles B and C to be 60 degree, and the side we assume it to be how much? 2A. Now what will be, if BD is equal to DC, then D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, when D is a midpoint of BC, then this part, this total part was 2A, this will be A and this will be A. Okay, now we have got side BD, we have got side AB, now we can find AD. Now AD is equal to, AD square is equal to 2A the whole square minus A square. That means we are subtracting the hypotenuse and the given side. So what we'll write, AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square, which is equal to 3A square. Therefore AD will be equal to A root 3. Okay, AD will be equal to A root 3. So I hope it is clear to you. We have taken this side to be 2A. We now find AD by the Pythagoras formula, and we get AD to be equal to A root 3, right? Now, if this angle is 90, this angle is 60, then this angle will be 30 by angle sum property. Okay, similarly, this side also, if this is 60, this is 90, this is equal to 30. We can also say that BAD is equal to CAD by CPCT, as we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, now we have got everything with us. We've got this side, we've got this side, we've got all the angles, and now we will find this ratios of 30 and 60 degree. Okay, so we now write sine, sine 30. We know that sine 30 is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. We have learnt this. Then cos 30 is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan 30 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So we know the triangle. This was D, this was A, this was B, this was C. This is 2A, this is A root 3. Right, if you cannot see it clearly, you can listen to me and you can write A and A. Fine, this is 30 degree. We are talking about 30 degree just now. Now sine 30. When I say sine 30, it will be A upon 2A. Right, A upon 2A, because opposite upon hypotenuse, and that will be 1 by 2. Cos 30, this is cos 30. Cos 30 will be adjacent upon hypotenuse, and that will be A root 3 upon 2A, that is root 3 by 2, A will cancel, and tan 30 will be equal to 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2, that will be 1 upon root 3. Okay, so that means we have calculated sine 30, cos 30, tan 30, and these values you will look in when you will listen to this explanation. You will draw the triangle, you will write the values, and you can find these answers on your own also. Okay, so this is sine 30, cos 30, tan 30. You can now find cosec 30, sec 30, and now you can find also cot 30 degree. Similarly, from the same diagram we can find for 60 degree, as this is 60 degree. Okay, so I am rubbing the angles here. Ratios I am not rubbing. Because now I will get sine 60. If I take sine 60, this is 60. For 60, this is the opposite side, that is A root 3 upon 2A. Okay, this will cancel, root 3 by 2. Once you understand this whole explanation, values you can substitute. Cos 60 will be adjacent upon, so for cos 60 this is adjacent, so A upon 2A, that is 1 by 2. Tan 60 will be equal to root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2, which is root 3. Similarly, you can find cos 60, sec 60 and cot 60. So in this explanation we have done how to find the answers for, or the ratios for, all the 6 ratios for 30 degree and 60 degree. We assume an equilateral triangle. Take that side be 2A. Then we prove that these two triangles are congruent by RHS. When we prove them to be RHS, then corresponding parts are equal of the congruent triangles. This side, D is a midpoint, therefore A and A are equal, means these two parts are equal. Then we calculate AD by Pythagoras theorem and start putting the values of sine 30, cos 30, tan 30 and any other ratio you want. You will keep substituting from the given diagram. Okay, so this completes your 45 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree explanation. Now I will explain you in the next video. I will explain you how to find the angles for 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, and when we finish all this explanation, now the exercise, that is the next exercise 8.2, is based on these specific angle ratios. You will learn these ratios, you will learn these values, and you will substitute in the questions given and you will be able to solve them. Okay, so in my next video I'll explain you how to find the ratio of 0 degree, sine 0 or cos 0 or sine 90 or cos 90. So I'll explain you in the next video. Okay, thank you.